Hi Roberto.
Hi Ken.
This is Roberto Grassi and he's going to show us how to assemble and to disassemble this plastic mag drive pump model HTM PP PVDF.
PP and PVDF, yes.
Okay. First, remove the screws securing the pump to the flange. Then, separate the pump from the motor. If it is necessary to remove the external magnet from the motor shaft, loosen the grub screw with an Allen key. Then use a puller to avoid damage to the motor shaft or the external magnet. Then remove the bolts. Disassemble the pump head from the bracket of the pump. Check the wear of the casing thrust bush on the pump head. Remove the group of the internal rotating kit composed of internal magnet, impeller, and impeller thrust bearing. Then remove the shaft and ring. Be very careful because the shaft and the ring are in ceramic and are very fragile. Remove the rear casing and the external O-ring. And now we are going to reassemble the pump. In order to reassemble the pump, do the whole operation in reverse. Make sure that when closing the pump, the O-ring is perfectly in position. So, be careful. The hole on the bracket should be on the opposite side of the discharge connection. Now, put in the bolts and use the dynamometric wrench for the correct strength to tighten the bolts in accordance with a chart which you can find in our instruction manual. When mounting the external magnet, make sure you line up the grub screw with the shaft groove. During the coupling of the pump on the motor, pay attention to the magnetic attraction that can cause injury to fingers or hands. Okay. Thank you very much, Roberto.
Not at all.
For further information, you can visit us at www.gemicotti.com.